All right, so what we're going to be talking about today in statistics is the mean and variance of a random variable. Okay, so the mean follows this formula, and it's basically a series. And what you're going to do is you're going to take each x value and times it by the probability value. Okay, and it is just the sum of all those. So for example, the mean of this will actually be it will be 1 times 0.3 plus 2 times 0.1. I wrote the answer accidentally, subconsciously, plus 3 times 0.4 plus 4 times 0.2. Okay, and that should be oops, I need to put back in this parentheses. My bad. And that should be 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 1.2 plus 0.8, and that should be 2.2, 2.5. 2.5 would be the actual mean of this set of data. Okay. Now, standard deviation, what you're going to do is find and square the differences between each random variable and the mean. So, in other words, your mean right here. Okay, multiply each squared part by its probability of occurring, and then sum, and then square root it. Okay, and remember, the variance is the square of the standard deviation. So, what you actually need to do with that answer is you do need to square root it. That's the most important part. Okay, so let's work this one out real fast. Okay, and that's going to turn into 1.25, and then what we need to do is we need to recognize that that's just the variance, so I need to square root that to actually get the standard deviation. That should turn into 1.118 standard deviation, sigma, standard deviation. Whichever one you use, it is correct. It's really kind of cool how it all sets up. So Alt 229. There we go. Okay. All right. But remember, this is the variance, and this is the standard deviation and how you calculate it and stuff. Okay. And that's it for mean and variance of random variables. I'll talk to you later. Make sure, before we go, make sure you have your table set up with all your probabilities underneath. And sometimes these might be fractions that you have to work with, okay? All right, that's it.